焼き芋にしか見えんクッキーを作ります。Let's go! 350 grams of sweet potato, microwave for 6 minutes and mash, 20 grams of butter, 30 grams of sugar, 30 grams of milk, mix it together, shape into sweet potatoes, 40 grams of butter, 40 grams of sugar, mix it together, 80 grams of flour, 10 grams of ube powder, mix it together, 2 teaspoons of milk and mix, divide into 8 and flatten, wrap the sweet potato and shape, bake at 350 for 15 minutes. Boom! 甘栗を使って簡単すぎるモンブランを作ります。Let's go! 200 grams of sweet chestnuts, 50 grams of sugar, 75 cc's of heavy cream. Blend together and add another 75 cc's of heavy cream. Add to a piping bag. 1 large egg, 40 grams of sugar. Whisk until soft peaks. 40 grams of flour. 2 tablespoons of milk. A few drops of vanilla essence. Mix it together. Place into cups and bake at 350 for 15 minutes. Add 1 chestnut, some whipped cream, and pipe on the chestnut cream from earlier, and finish with a chestnut on top. Boom! とろける食感、そしてちょっぴり体にいいお菓子、生きな粉を作ります。Let's go! 50 grams of きな粉 powder, 30 grams of brown sugar, lightly mix, 60 grams of heavy cream, mix it together, wrap and refrigerate for 1 hour, cut into small pieces and cover with some きな粉 powder. Boom! さつまいもにしか見えんクッキーを作ります。Let's go! Cut 150 grams of sweet potato, rinse for 5 minutes and microwave for another 5 minutes. Puree the sweet potato. 50 grams of butter, 50 grams of sugar, half an egg, mix it together, 100 grams of flour, sift and mix, roll into a cylinder shape, cover with some purple powder and freeze for 3 hours, cut into 1 centimeter thickness and bake at 320 for 15 minutes. Boom! コーヒーにつけて食べるお菓子、ビスコッティを作ります。Let's go! 1 large egg, 50 grams of granulated sugar, mix it together, 10 grams of melted butter, mix again, 130 grams of flour, 3 grams of baking powder, sift and mix, stir in 50 grams of almonds, place onto a baking sheet and bake at 350 for 15 minutes. Cut into 1 centimeter slices and bake at 300 for 10 minutes. Boom! 今回はフライパンでできるズボラ向けなさつまいも蒸しパンを作ります。Let's go! Cut half a sweet potato into small cubes. Microwave for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 1 large egg. 30 grams of sugar. 100 cc's of milk. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix it together. 150 grams of pancake mix. Mix again. Add 2/3 of the sweet potato and mix. Place into cups and add some sweet potato on top. In a frying pan, add 1.5 centimeters of boiling hot water. Add your cups. Place a lid on top and steam for 12 to 15 minutes. Boom! 分量は間違えたけど超絶美味しくできたスイートポテトを作ります。Let's go! Cut 150 grams of sweet potato. Microwave for 5 minutes. Puree the sweet potato. 50 grams of butter. 50 grams of sugar. Half an egg. 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. Mix it together. Place into a mold and spread some egg and sesame seed on top. Bake at 375 for 10 minutes. Boom! 今回は秋っぽいスイーツ、マロンサンドを作ります。Let's go! 50 grams of sweet chestnuts, 50 cc's of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of sugar, blend it together, 100 cc's of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of sugar, whip until soft peaks, mix together with the chestnuts, spread on a piece of bread, add some chestnuts, sandwich and wrap, rest in the fridge for an hour and cut in half. Boom.